Are you taking a hit on your crypto this year? I may have a little solution to help you out. It's not advice. You have to do your own research on this, but there may be a way to get a little tax break without getting rid of your position. So if you lose money on a stock position, you can use that loss, and you realize the loss by selling it. You can use that loss to offset any capital gains you have, and you can use up to $3,000 of that to reduce your income. It's a tax loss, it's a write-off, whatever you want to do. So if you make $100,000 a year and you lose $3,000 trading a security and you actually lose it, you can reduce your income to $97,000 and pay a little less in taxes. So what people used to try to do is they would sell the stock to get the loss and then immediately buy the stock back within a day or two, or even within 15 days. So they're not really out of the position and they get to take the loss by realizing it. So the IRS came up with a thing called a wash sale, that if you sell a stock for a loss and you buy it back within 30 days, or even any kind of derivative of that, then they're going to disallow the loss. You can take it later, but for right now, the IRS says, no, you didn't really take the loss. You didn't stay out of the position long enough. So that rule is for securities, pretty much, stocks and bonds and stuff like that, but not for property. And what's interesting is that crypto, since nobody can figure out what the fuck it is yet, is considered property according to the IRS. So there's actually no written rule. Now, this may change in next 2023, but there's no written rule that you can't sell your stock for a loss, realize your loss, and then buy the stock back the next day. So you're really not out of it, but for the next year, come April, you get to use some stuff to write off your taxes. I am absolutely saying talk to your accountant or somebody to do this, but let's say you jumped into crypto at like $50,000 and now it's at 17 or 18, you have like a $33,000 loss sitting there that you can write off any kind of gains you have in other positions or some of it against your ordinary income. Again, talk to your accountant before you do anything, but I'll give you an example. Let's say you made $50,000 trading whatever, tech stocks, whatever it is, and then you also lost $33,000, just say, like I said before, on your crypto. You sell the crypto, then you buy it back, you sell it for a loss of $33,000. That $33,000 can be used to offset your $50,000 in gains, so you only have to pay tax on $17,000, which is still great. So you save a lot in taxes with that. I have a strong feeling they're going to get rid of this soon. And again, I'm not telling you to do this. You need to talk to your accountant. I'm not giving you advice. I'm just saying that they haven't made a rule against it yet, and they do it for securities. So right now, the wash sale rule does not apply to crypto. So like with a stock, if you sell it, you have to stay out for 30 days. With crypto, you can go back in a minute later, and then you have your loss. I would bet my life that this will change in 2023. The IRS is not going to be okay with this for very long. If you like what I'm doing, share this shit and subscribe.